Hey you guys, welcome to my spring cleaning video. So yeah, this is my first voiceover, so bear with me. But yeah, I am just cleaning and showing you guys kind of what I do. Just cleaning my table. Literally, that's all I'm doing right now. I don't know how my house got so dirty, but it did. So yeah, normally I clean every night, and I kind of put stuff up where it needs to go, but this time I had been getting ready for a concert, and I had my daughter and her little neighbor friend over, and they just destroyed the house. There's my little kitty cat, giving her some lovin's. So I am just taking apart this bottle slash sippy cup little holder. I still keep it for my daughter's cups and stuff like that. But there's literally so much random stuff in there. Like, look at my daughter's shoes on the floor. Like, what is going on? Boxes everywhere. I have to enjoy my sucker. And this is baby oil. Just regular baby oil. I use it on all of my stainless steel because it doesn't leave like a film, and it just keeps it so shiny. Like, way better than the stainless steel wipes. And I'm trying to kind of keep quiet because my daughter's resting in the other room, and this microphone is like so sensitive. And I have this video, another one, and maybe another one that's filmed on my phone, and I just filmed one on my brand new camera. So I'll need to play with an editing software and stuff and get that one edited. But I'm trying, you guys. It literally takes so long to film and to edit and to upload. And yeah, so I work full time, and I'm trying on my downtime to get as many videos as I can up. I know it takes a while, but just bear with me. I'm trying to incorporate, the videos more into my life because it's something that I really enjoy doing, and I've been wanting to do for like 3 years, and I've been talking about doing for about 3 years. And so yeah, I finally got around to it and stuff. And I have a bunch of prom makeups coming up, so maybe I can film those. But yeah, anyways, back to the cleaning. I'm just taking everything out of my bathtub. As you can see, it is disgusting. I actually have the landlord on his way over right now to fix the drain because it's clogged. So I'm just putting some soft scrub and then some foaming bubbles on there. And for some reason, it didn't show me cleaning this toilet, but I totally did. So yeah. Just kind of using my hand, I guess, to go over everything. Oh no, I have a wipe in my hand. Okay, I was like, girl, what are you doing? Those things get so nasty. My daughter's step stool. And this is like my makeup room slash toy room, obviously. But we're about to either be moving or I'm going to have to rearrange a bunch of stuff here pretty soon. Change the rooms up, I mean. And for some reason, my fiance leaves all of his shoes underneath the dresser. So you'll see me here in just a little bit, taking them all out. And I'm like, oh. But I love him. I'm sure I do stuff too that he's like, really? So I'm just Windexing. This is actually a computer desk that I got that I just kind of sit down and do my makeup at. I really want to get a vanity, but I was a single mom for so long. 5 years to be exact. Actually 4.5. So yeah, I'm just kind of moving everything out of the way because I'm too lazy to take it all off and put it all on. Come on. Good thing for sped up editing, huh? Because this video was like 5.5 hours long of just me cleaning. Now onto my bathroom. Here I am cleaning the toilets. So I basically did the same thing on these toilets that I did the others. I know I'm not wearing gloves, but it's okay. I washed my hands really good afterwards. Don't judge me because no judgments are needed. I'm literally human. Look at that hair flip. I was like, watcha. Clean, clean, clean. Oh, belly shot. Sorry, y'all. On to my daughter's very bright and colorful room. I'm just kind of plugging in her iPad, rearranging her stuffed animals. Exhausted, as you can tell. I keep pulling my pants up because these pants are way too big for me because I had lost a lot of weight, and I have a reasoning why in my maybe next video around May 1st. You guys will find out. But yeah, those are just like my cleaning pants and my painting pants along with that shirt. I color my hair in that shirt. All that jazz. Right here, I am just about to, move all of the stuffed animals so I can sweep. We are still in my daughter's room, obviously. Now I'm just putting them all back. She has collected these Minnie Mouse and Hello Kitty stuffed animals for like her entire life. So 5.5 years. Okay, Lauren. Why did I not edit this part out? Let's go. Do. Right. Now I'm taking my high-low vacuum. It's like an air filtration vacuum. I love this vacuum. I used to sell them whenever I was like 18. And I sold this one to my dad. I'm now almost 26. And he still had it. He finally got a new one, like a different brand, because my stepmom wanted a different brand. So he asked me if I wanted this one. I was like, of course. I love it. There's so many attachments that you can take off. And as you can see here, I'm cleaning out, or I'm vacuuming my daughter's fur pillows and her fur rug and that's her sheet. I was cleaning her Elsa comforter, so you won't see it. That's one thing that I wish I would have done, is showed you guys like the clean rooms afterwards. But again, this is my first cleaning video. It's my first voiceover, so the next one will be a little bit more advanced, you could say. But yeah, I love this machine, or this vacuum, because it really helps you to get under everything. Here I go taking out his shoes, picking up change, finders keepers, pocketing it. Another hair flip. I'm like, really? But I love him. Okay, girl, we don't need to see you vacuuming under the dresser for so long. Yeah, I love this attachment because I can clean all the dust off my daughter's toys. Changing attachments to get in different spots, baseboards, etc. 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 Okay, girl, come on. Yeah, now I'm cleaning her dollhouse. Her enormous dollhouse. This thing is almost as tall as I am. Come on, girl. And don't mind my mattress. That mattress is so old. We're about to get a new one. But my daughter has nosebleeds, and yeah, it's just pretty much like nosebleeds and stains, chocolate milk, all sorts of stuff. So if you guys know any like tips and tricks to get those stains out, let me know. We have started using like the clear mattress, what's it called? The clear mattress covers. Or we're going to start using one, I should say. We haven't started yet. But we definitely will when we get our new mattress. Cleaning my kitty cat's cat tower. Behind the litter box. Around the toilets. I literally love this vacuum because it's also an air filtration system, so you can just like set it in the room and put some oils in it, and it literally filters out the nasty air and puts it into the water. Look at that pile of laundry. Who else piles their laundry on the couch like that for like 2 days? Comment down below. Do, do, do. Literally picking up trash and putting it in my pocket. Mom life. Giving my doggy some loves. Cleaning under the couches because my couches get nasty. Now I'm cleaning in the couch because for some reason couches just eat everything. Crumbs, change, pins. You couldn't see it here, but there was so much dust that came out of that mat. I think that was my daughter that just passed, or it was my fiance. Cleaning the mat on the front, or from the front walkway, I guess you'd say. Do, 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 do. Do, 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 do. Come on. Vacuum, vacuum, vacuum. I'm just spraying some bleach water on the floor as I Swiffer. And then on the wooden parts, I use this Pledge wood oil, I believe it's called. But yeah. So anyways, I hope you all enjoy, and I will catch you guys in my next video. And yeah, I love you all so very much. And just bear with me with the videos. I'm trying. Bye.